Welcome to week 10. In this video, we're going to preview some of the vocabulary that you'll use in these upcoming assignments. In the next couple of weeks, we'll be focusing on congruent triangles. Intuitively, you can think about congruent triangles as triangles that are the exact same size and same shape. This means that I should be able to take one of the triangles and exactly line it up with the other one. Since those triangles completely match, we can say they're congruent. Mathematically, this means that each angle of one triangle is going to be equal to an angle of the other triangle. The same thing is true about the sides. Each side of one triangle is equal to a side in the other triangle. When we name the congruent triangles, it's really important that we pair up those congruent angles. So the order we name it is important. Here I wrote that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. The angles that are equal to each other are called corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are in the same location or the same position within the congruent triangles. And again, when we name the figures, we have to make sure that we line them up. So if I look at this example where triangle ABC is congruent to triangle JKL, I can pick out three pairs of congruent angles. The angles that are going to be corresponding would be angle A and angle J, angle B and angle K, and angle C and angle L. And one way I can tell that is just by looking at the names. Notice the first letter in A pairs with the first letter in the next triangle. The middle letters pair and the last letters pair. The same thing is true about the pairs of sides. We have three pairs of corresponding sides. AB and JK, BC and KL, and AC and JL. You'll discover some properties about corresponding angles and corresponding sides in your upcoming assignments. The last vocabulary terms that you'll encounter this week are included angle or included side. And this means that the part is directly in between the two other parts that we are given. So an included angle is the angle that is directly in between the two given sides of the triangle. This means that they're the two particular sides that they're focusing on in the problem. So looking at an example, angle A is included between BA and AC. So I've changed the color so that you can focus on BA and AC. Notice the angle that is directly in between those. That's angle A. So we would say that angle A is included between BA and AC. We can also have included sides. An included side is the side that is directly in between the two given angles. Looking at my example, side AC is included between angle A and angle C. This is because AC is directly in between those two angles. This side is included because it directly touches both of those angles. Remember to refer to your glossary or the individual sections in your textbook if you have more questions on the vocabulary.